In just 4 easy steps, here's how you can use baking soda to give your teeth that pearly white sparkle all from home. Step 1. Mix together roughly equal parts of baking soda and water in a small cup. This could be 1/4 or 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with just enough water to form a paste. A paste is easier to apply and more effective than baking soda alone, which could otherwise result in things getting messy. You can also mix the baking soda with toothpaste instead, but avoid making this paste with lemon, strawberry, or any other fruit juice. These are acidic and could erode your teeth enamel when combined with baking soda. Step 1. You should brush your teeth with the baking soda paste for 1 to 2 minutes as you would with regular toothpaste. Be sure to brush all around instead of scrubbing one spot for the entire 2 minutes. Be gentle or you might hurt your teeth. Alternatively, you could use your fingertips to gently rub your teeth with the paste. Rub in soft circles and don't use too much force. If you have receding gums, avoid brushing the base of your teeth or totally avoid brushing with baking soda. The receding gum line exposes tissue which is softer than the enamel that covers the crown of the tooth and therefore is more prone to decay and structural damage from abrasives. Step 3. Rinse out your mouth when you're finished brushing. After brushing for 2 minutes, spit out the baking soda and rinse your mouth with water mouthwash. Don't let the baking soda be on your teeth or in your mouth for more than 2 minutes. It's important to follow any baking soda routine by brushing with toothpaste, flossing and rinsing the mouth out well. Be sure to thoroughly rinse your toothbrush as well. Step 4. Repeat this for no more than 3 times a week for 2 weeks. Ideally, just do it once or twice a week. You shouldn't whiten your teeth with baking soda more than once a day and no longer than 2 weeks in a row. Keep in mind that brushing your teeth with baking soda should not replace brushing your teeth with regular toothpaste. Brushing twice a day, flossing daily, and regular dental checkups still remain vital for optimum dental health. People using braces are advised to keep away from this as it can soften the adhesive used to hold the braces. So there you have it. If used well, baking soda can give you brighter teeth and help improve your oral health.